Hi, this is Craig at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa, online at csrvsales.com. This is going to be a video walkthrough of a 2018 Prime Time Manufacturing Avenger Model 32 FBI. The 32 FBI is a bunk model with bunks in the front and an outside kitchen. I'm going to linger on this outside kitchen for a second, and then we're going to go inside, do the interior walk around, and then come back outside and do the full exterior. This is not meant to be a full product demonstration. This is more just for shoppers trying to get an idea of what the layout of the unit would be like. Of course, the best solution is to come to our lot and walk through it yourself, but these video walkthroughs will give you an idea. That is a jackknife sofa, lays down flat. U-booth dinette can also be converted into a sleeping area. See, the bathroom is accessible from each side. There's a corner glass door shower. Nice big master bedroom back here with its own slide out. Okay. Gives you a good idea of the interior. I'm going to go outside, do the rest of the exterior. See, there's power jacks, backup camera prep. This opens up underneath the main bed. Just one dump station. All right. Again, this is a 2018 Prime Time Avenger Model 32 FBI, and it is available at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa, online at csrvsales.com. Thank you so much for watching.